Oh!
It's road trip time for us now. This old fart here turns 40 on Monday, so it's new toy time. What that? Yeah. It's new toy time. So here we go, guys. We decided to go for the Felony. Ian's been a very, very good boy this year. Now he's an old fart. We thought we'd give him a bit of a treat. So we went for the Felony. Felony. The thinking behind this is that everybody else has got Infraction, so it's something a little bit different. But we did buy it from Lee at Arrma Upgrades, so it has all, or pretty much all of his carbon fibre bits in it. So it's a little bit, it's a big bit pretty. We have had a peek, so we will show you everything that's inside. There's links down to Lee's website as usual in the description if you want to see the parts that we've got, and we will give you a look around it and then we'll take it out and give it a blast.
Ooh, new toy.
Oh, is that what that handle's for?
Yep, there you go.
Just a note, guys, if you want red carbon fibre from Lee, you need to message him directly because it is more expensive. So yeah, just message him through his website and he'll sort that out for you. But yeah, we've got all the pretty bits, CRCU wing, all the bits inside. I'm not going to list everything. We've got that bit. What's that for? That's for...
That's the centre brace, but it's also got an ESC mount on it when you want to fit a different ESC.
Got that bit. And it's got a new controller, so you don't have to run the old one over, which is always a bonus. Should we take it out and play now?
Yes.
Right. I hope you enjoy the rest of this video, guys. Make sure you give us a thumbs up, like, subscribe, hit that bell button, leave me a comment down below, and I will see you next time. Sounds well dodgy, doesn't it?
Sounds ill.
So you're going to need clean underpants?
Yes.
You'd be braver than that, I think. Put it back in the car now. Got it wet.
Oh, look.
No!
Damn it. Right, put it back in the car.
You can't be trusted. We're going to try a Speedrun now. We haven't used this yet, have we?
Nope.
Have you worked out how to use it?
Nope, we've got mine here to show us.
Okay. Okay, so that's set to 0. Stop before you get to the curb, yes? That was flat out.
Maybe not as quick as that.
Rubbish. So you don't actually know what you're doing.
No.
Oh yeah, it's doing it now in real time as well. That was 39.5 kilometres an hour. Watch it! Bloody hell!
Still a reading.
Get flat batteries before it does it. It does it in real time.
There you go, 96 kilometres.
96 kilometres an hour. What's that miles an hour then?
Don't know.
There we go. So 60 mile an hour, 96 kilometres, 60 miles an hour. Where are you going?